Don't do it! Don't do it!
No!
Tell him, wave him off, guys. He's gonna die.
Hey, get back! Get back, you moron!
No, don't, Alex. Somebody will jump out of the car and punch you in the mouth saying that. You'll never make it. You're dead. Dead in the water. Dead in the water. Oh, is he gonna make it? Wow, the Mercedes made it. I don't believe that car made it.
Oh yeah, did I tell you that my mom's car actually went down the street?
Huh?
My mom's car went down the street.
Down where? Ruined? It didn't work? So this guy, Cadillac coming through. Cadillac going down. I think everybody's calling their friends saying, come ride in the river. Jason, come up here and get this mosquito off my arm.
Where?
This arm.
On him. When we crossed the railroad track, like walk on the engine and then it started to break down.
A squirrel did?
Yeah. Out there.
What, it chew up some wires?
Up.